Members of the NATO. NATO has 30 members, mainly in Europe and North America. Some of these countries also have territories territory on multiple continents, which can be covered only as far as south as the Tropic of Cancer in the Atlantic Ocean, which defines NATO's areas of responsibilities under Article 6 of the North Atlantic Treaty. During the original treaty negotiation, the United States insisted that the colonial, such as the Bulgarian Congo, and the excluded from the treaty. French Algeria was however covered until their independence on 3 July 1962. 12 of these 30 are originally members who joined in 1949, while the other 18 joined in the one of the eight enlargement rounds. From the mid of the 1960s to the mid of the 1990s, France pursued a military strategy of independence from NATO under a policy dubbed Galileo Matrilinealism. Nicolas Sarkozy negotiated the return of the France to the Integrated Military Command and the Defense Planning Committee in 2009, the latter being disbanded the following years. France remains the only NATO members outside the Nuclear Planning Group, and unlike the United States and the United Kingdom, will not commit its nuclear-armed submarines to the alliance's. Few members spend more than 2% of their gross domestic product on the defense, with the United States accounting for three-quarters of the NATO defense spending. Enlargement of the NATO. New membership in the alliances has been largely from the Central and the Eastern Europe, including former members of the Warsaw Pact. Accession to the alliances in the governed with the individual membership action plans and require approval by each current member. NATO currently has one candidate country that is in the process of the joining the alliances. Bosnia and Herzegovina. North Macedonia signed an accession protocol to become a NATO member state in the February 2019 and became a member state on 27 March 2020. Its accession had been blocked by the Greece for many years due to the Macedonia naming disputes, which was resolved in 2018 by the Prespa agreement. In order to support each other in the process, new and potential members in the region formed the Adriatic Charter in 2003. Georgia was also named as an aspiring member and was promised future membership during the 2008 summit in the Bucharest. Though in 2014, US President Barack Obama said the country was not currently on a path to membership. Russia continues to politically oppose further expansion, seeing it was as inconsistent with the informal understanding between the Soviet leaders Mikhail Gorbachev and European and the US negotiation that allowed for a peaceful German reunification. NATO's expansion efforts are often seen by the Moscow leader as a continuation of a Cold War attempts to surround and the isolate Russia, though they have also been criticized in the West. A June 2016 Levada poll found that the 68% of the Russians think that the deploying NATO troops in the Baltic states and Poland, former Eastern Bloc countries bordering Russia, is a threat to Russia. In contrast, 65% of the polls surveyed in the 2017 Pew Research Center for Report identifies Russia as a major threat, with an average of 31% saying so across all NATO countries, and 67% of polls surveyed in 2018 favor US forces being based in the Poland. Of non-CIS Eastern European countries surveyed by the Gallup in 2016, all but Serbia and the Montenegro were more likely than not to view NATO as a protective alliance rather than a threat. A 2006 study in the journal Security Studies argued that the NATO enlargement contribution to democratic consolidation in Central and Eastern Europe. Ukraine relationship with the NATO and the Europe has been politically controversial, and the improvement of these relations was one of the goals of the Euromaidan protest that saw the ousting of the pro-Russian President Viktor Yanukovych in 2014. In March 2014, Prime Minister Arsenij Yatsenyuk reiterated the government's stance that Ukraine is not seeking NATO membership. Ukraine president subsequently signed a bill dropping his nation a non-aligned status in order to pursue NATO membership, but signaled that it could hold a referendum before seeking to join. Ukraine is one of the 8 countries in Eastern Europe with an individual partnership action plan. IPAP began in 2002 and are open to countries that have the political will and ability to deepen their relationship with NATO.